What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out NMIXX Roller Coaster MV. Going down, going up with you. Oh, okay. If you guys didn't know, I did play a Nintendo Switch Sports with them as a collab. Go check it out if you haven't. It was a fun time. It was a lot earlier, like when they just like debuted. It seems like a lot has happened in such a short amount of time, like a lot of like comebacks, no? Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. All right, roller coaster. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Got captions on. Okay. The title looks old, like it's a 90s movie or 80s. Oh. Ooh. Oh, bae. Ooh, I like this. A. Oh, with the band-aid on the cheek. Ooh. Oh, this might be my favorite NMIXX track. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay. Beauty. This is where you should be. Ooh. So incredible. A. Ooh. Hey. I like the vibe of this. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Ooh, okay, Lily. Oh, we at the pool? Okay, we dipping our feet in the pool. Oh, yeah. Just go in. Be spontaneous. Oh, we all being spontaneous. Holy shit. Wait a second. I'm not gonna ignore that. You heard that? Just vibe it out. I love it. Hey. Ooh. Okay, this is definitely one of my favorites. For sure. I love the vibe, the energy. It's chill while being hype at the same time. And the girls are slaying. Oh, does it have like what's that sound? I think it's like Mario Kart or something, like the beat. Are they in the mermaid era? What is this? This is a mermaid era? Wait, I did not expect that. Oh, she dreaming. Damn. Because I was about to say. Sorry, I was drinking my green tea with a green straw. You might not see it because of the green screen. Going to meet me here, July 3rd, 6 p.m. Oh. I had to literally check the date and time. Oh, whoa. Did they have that before? That sound? NMIXX? How come I never... am I... sounds like a, you know, it sounds like a classic nostalgic video game intro. You know what I mean? The way yeah. Ooh. Put the comments down below what you guys think of NMIXX's Roller Coaster. I am vibing with it. I'm actually gonna favorite and download it because that shit was fire. It's only 3 minutes, basically 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Let me see. That's fire. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go and edit this. Hopefully you like this video and share it with everyone, even your grandma too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.